Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nodejs tribe. In the previous video, we have created the product. Now we are going to create the prices. So here we have a no prices of that one. Okay, so how we are going to add the prices? So we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So I'm going to add the prices via Nodejs REST API. So here we have the first we have to add the product ID. So whatever the product we have created in the last video, we have to copy this product ID and just add it over here. Okay, so this is our product ID. We have a price, okay, and the currency and the API that is calling stripe.prices.create. Okay, so this is required the product ID unit and this is the currency. Okay, let's save it and restart this. Router is not defined. We have to go with the app. Let's add the create price. So here we go with the clears. Okay, so let's go and copy this create price. Okay, so let's send it. So price created. Let's have a look on that one. So this is the product, right? So let's reload this. So here you can see 10 USD. The price is coming over here and here the pricing part 10 USD and the ePay ID. Okay, so here you can see that. After that you can create the payment link from here like this, how many payment you want to send it like school t-shirt, right? So here you can see add product, we have already added the product. So you can see the full-fledged code is over here like school t-shirt $10. So we will check that how to create the payment link in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.